welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to add and subtract large numbers. So first I will actually teach you how to add first, and then I will teach you how to subtract. So first let's try the adding. So let's have 71, and then plus 6, 4, 5, 3. So if you get a problem like this in the thousands, it's a large number, but it's the exact same thing for ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, on way up. So I'm just doing the thousands right now. So first in this one, you would start on the right side and do 1 plus 3, which is 4. So then you just mark that down. And then you move to the left, 7 plus 5, which is 12. But we take the 2 from the 12, we put it here, the ones place. And we take the tens place and put it above the next one. And then we do 3 plus 4, which is 7. But then don't forget about this one. 7 plus 1 is 8. So then we have 8 here. Then 8 plus 6, which is 14. So you just take the 4, and then you carry the 1, but then there's no other problem, so you just put the 1 right there. So that would be 14,824. So that's only the addition part. Now I'll teach you the subtraction. So here's the subtraction. I'll do 700, 4, 3, 1, and then I'll do 3, 2, 1, 5. So okay. So if you get a problem like this, then same thing except different. So you start on the right side and you move to the left, same thing, and you do carry numbers as well. So then you start over here and it's 1 minus 5, but you can't do 1 minus 5. So then what you do is you take the number to the left of the 1 and you just cross it, add 2, and just take 1 of it, and then split it into 1 and 2, and then connect these two right here. Connect these two, which is 11, and then do 11 minus 5, which is 6. So then we put 6 down here. And then we do 2 minus 1, which is 1. 4 minus 2, 2, and 7 minus 3, 4. That's all you really have to do. And remember, carrying, you might have to carry a lot. So that's all. And thanks for watching this video. And I will just be telling you to do one last thing. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and see you next time.